Alright, I'm doing my car review. This is my third video on this channel. I think I'm doing good so far with daily videos. I have been uploading and grinding so far, but I am on the road to 100 subs. I'm trying to get 100 subs by the end of February. As y'all can tell, I've been trying to post every day. I missed the second day. I'm trying to post every single day of the year, so that's my resolution, to try to do that, or every other day. But here you go. Here's the car review. It's gray. It's stock. I'm gonna tell y'all everything I want. It's a little bit dirty because it's like rainy and stuff outside. My audio might be all bad because of there's a highway like literally right there. But the outside rims, interior, 20% fiber, not fiber. I forgot what type of stuff it is. It's 20%. I think it's the best one. The best what you call it? Tint. Back door. Back seat. Only one tear I got in the seat is because I just moved and I had stuff in here and it ripped the seat. I was so mad. It's a little rip. I needed I think I could get somebody to sew this. It is dirty. I have to clean it, vacuum it, but back seat, it got vents, a little area right here, a little area down there, go right here, get this little, there we go, cup holders, then you get from there, get in, this is where you get to the trunk. I'm not gonna show y'all the trunk because it is filthy because it still has stuff in it. But compartment, same thing on that door. Window, lock. This lock, memory seats, window. Alright. Same thing with this door. This is like the oldest thing on this car. You can tell by the age just by looking at this. I have the radio. It's old. I have navigation. Not going to show y'all because it'll show my where I'm in. See, another thing that you could tell this car is old. I just need to replace this. There's a Tesla screen where the screen goes all the way down to like right here. I was thinking about, I want to black out these probably. I don't know about these. I don't know if I can or not, but I don't know about those yet. These, hold up, there's a light on. All right, I want to black out this, that right here. I might keep this. I want to put LEDs in this or change it or get a whole new steering wheel. Dash, I just hit 150. 150 I meant. Yeah. But yeah, I had this car for 10,000 miles. I got this exactly right when it hit 140. Like the person who I bought it for, it was literally 140,000 and all that extra stuff. The car got a premium sound system, but it got 8 speakers. I don't know what type of sound system, but it's really good for what it is. Got, I don't know if I said that already, 8 speakers, one right here, sender, tweeters all right here, one down there, one speaker, and then 3 in the back all the way up right here. It got a factory subwoofer. I'm gonna change that because I have to rechange my whole entire radio system, because only the 2 door speakers work, which is, they're still good. It's like alright, but it doesn't get loud. You know what I mean? It just, it has all the bass and all the extra stuff. It just doesn't get loud enough. Like it sounds like I'll have it at like 30. It sounds like it's at like 20 or 15. But yeah, what else? It had call. I never used this because it's old. Auto dimming mirror. This sunroof. That's one thing I have to have. I can't go out of sunroof. What else? They got a glove department if it's open. I put the books and stuff. If y'all wondered, this is what I record on with the phone. It's a thing I got off of Amazon. I will put this in the link description. It's only $16 if y'all want it. I'll put it in thing. Camera gear. I already showed you that. I got LED lights. This is the box. I have it ghettoly set up, but I hid the cords as best as possible. I'll put them in here, and then put them inside this thing, and then I drug them up and then put it right here. And then I did the same thing with the back. I hit them, but got this one. I think I got it for like $2. I think I got this for like $2. I think I found this on Black Friday. But okay, the specs in the engine. Let me show y'all the engine. Alright. The car is a V6. It's 2005 Acura TL. I know it's not, I didn't swap it with 392. I just did it because of the title. It sounds dope, so I just did it. And it has 270 horsepower. Around 270 horsepower, I think. 0 to 60 in like 5.5 seconds, 5 seconds. It has, and then what else? It's stock, except for the windows. Everything's stock except for the windows. But I want to change. I'm gonna show y'all what I'm gonna do with the trunk. I'm gonna pop up a picture that I want to do. I want to black out the whole entire trunk, take off the badges except for the Acura logo, make that black, and then in the front I want to. Y'all see pictures. But in the front grille, I want to black that out, take all the silver off, and then I want to get sun strips for the windows in the back, and get a lip spoiler. And then I want to change. I want to change my wheels or just paint them black. I don't know. Depends on what I feel like. I'm probably going to paint them back for the start, and then whenever I find the right tires that I like, I'll probably do that. And then what else? I want to change the headlights and the taillights. I want to change the taillights to a gray LED ones. I'll show you that too. I'll show you what I'm gonna do for the whole back. And I want to get a muffler, mess with my muffler. I don't know like what I want to do yet. I want it to be loud, but I don't want it to be too loud. You know what I mean? I don't think I want to go catless. I might want to go. I want to delete the mufflers. I forgot what that. I don't know all that stuff, but I want to delete the mufflers and make it sound. I want to have a little bit of sound, not too much, but a little bit. But what else? I want to put for the headlights. I want to put. I'll show you a picture of them. They're like, I have two, but I don't know which one to get. They're like LED lights. They have LED lights in them, where you can change the color and stuff. And then there's one with like a L or like a Nike logo type light in it, daytime and running light or whatever. It looks slick. I want that, or for the paint job, if I ever do paint the car, I would want half of it being black and half of it being gray. Like I feel like that would be dope. And then for the interior, I already told y'all I want to black out all the chrome, maybe change the steering wheel. Oh, I want to fix this problem. I don't know if y'all could see it. The roof is hanging right there. But I want to fix that problem. Then I'm gonna fix that. I'm gonna fix that problem whenever. Let me see if this is not zoomed. All right, I want to fix that problem whenever, cause I want to get stars in the roof. Stars in the roof is slick. And then I want to make these LED lights. I can't see. These are gray, or I'm stupid. Yellow. Change those. Same with the ones back there. And then that's really it. I don't really have nothing else with it. I want to put a diffuser on the back. That's one. I probably want to change the front bumper. Oh, there's a crack in the front bumper, so I do want to change that. You can't see it, but you can see it. At the same time, you can't see it. You gotta like look at an angle for you to see it. So I could probably fix it, to be honest with you, because it's not really that big like of a crack. There's a little dent in the on the side. I don't know if y'all seen it. On the passenger back side, there's a dent from people opening the doors at like a grocery store or something in the parking lot. I have two of them. I have one on, which is I probably can't fix it because it's kind of deep. There's one on the I forgot what it's called. The part where you literally gotta like cut the metal out and then put a new metal there and all that extra stuff. So that's probably not gonna get fixed if I can't get that dent out whenever I go to try to. The door one, I probably can fix it, but if I can, I could just buy a new door. But that's really it. If y'all want to see how it drives, I'll just go on to one of the POV drives and you will see how it drives. It drives really good. The only light I got on the dash is that seatbelt light. Not seatbelt, this one, the airbag. It's because there's a sensor in this seatbelt that went bad, and I just gotta get a new sensor. It's like, I don't even know, not even $20. It's like a small fix, and it's really not that big of a deal to me, so that's why I never fixed it, or haven't fixed it yet. But that's it so far. The only thing I changed on it was the suspension, the front one, because it's a common issue with these cars with the ball joints and all that stuff, so I changed it. Transmission's still running good. I believe it's factory. I don't know if they did anything, but I believe it is factory. Engine's factory, of course. But if I ever do, I want to put an intake on the car. I probably would want it. Yeah, I want an intake. Cold air intake. That's probably the one and only engine mod I might do, just to give it like a little bit of horsepower, because I heard that those give you just like a couple horsepower, not that much, but a little bit. And yeah, but if you are new and you went through this whole video, please like and subscribe. I will be pinning the most positive comment that I get, but I am on the road to 200 subs, as I said in the beginning of the video, at the end of February. But I'm out.